Well, hello, beautiful people. This is Jessica Jones with Taurus Financial Solutions, coming to you today with a quick discussion on types of taxes. Taxes are a real hot button subject for folks. I do some analytics on most searched topics on the interwebs, and it's taxes and Social Security come on top as far as retirement planning and financial planning topics. So just wanted to do a quick video on types of taxes, because when I do retirement planning for folks, we often forget that Uncle Sam is our silent business partner as far as, our IRAs and 401ks and things like that. So it's just a good refresher. Now, having said that, taxes annoy people. However, in my opinion, I'm happy that I have to pay taxes because that means I'm making money, right? So you got to kind of look at it like that too. So we're just going to do a brief overview on some different types of taxes. First of all, there's three main ways that taxes can be classified, I guess. You have progressive, regressive, and then flat tax. So progressive means the percentage progressively gets more the more you make. So the more you make, the more you pay, right? With regressive, it's the more you make, the less you pay percentage-wise, because theoretically you're making more, so the percentage, even though it's a lower percentage, you're paying higher too, right? That's the thinking behind that. And then a flat tax is just flat for everybody. Flat tax for everybody, no matter what you make, you all pay the same percentage, okay? So the number one really thing about taxes, or the number one type of taxes that we talk about usually is income taxes. And so when doing retirement planning, a lot of folks ask, if there's certain states that are more favorable, and obviously, yes, there are. And because some cities charge taxes as well, not even just the state, but the city too. So you really have to take that into account when you're planning for retirement, if you're looking to save on taxes, right? So there's only 7 states under current tax law that don't have an income tax, a state income tax currently, and that is Florida, Nevada, Texas, Alaska, South Dakota, Washington, and Wyoming. I think that's 7. Did I get them all? Yeah, I think so. And then 9 have a flat income tax too. So that's beyond the scope of this, but it's just to bring awareness to you. That's why you hear everybody moving out of California and they're going to Texas or Florida or Nevada, right? Because our taxes are super high here. And then if you're also in a city that charges income taxes as well, then it gets a little nuts. But it's just something to be aware of. I mean, obviously, some people, you pay money. There is a premium on weather, right? I read an article today that, that's why people are moving to either hotter or colder places, because now they can work from home and they don't necessarily they don't want to pay the premium for the weather, basically, okay? So you just have to decide what works best for you and use it to your advantage, depending on your income and that sort of thing. With your IRAs, your 401ks, your qualified money as well, you always need to remember that you're going to pay as you pull that out at your current income tax bracket. So if you're at a 12%, you're going to pay that. If you're at a 22%, you're going to pay 22% of whatever you pull out is going to go straight to taxes. So it's just something to be aware of. On top of that, you have your capital gains taxes, which is hot right now too because of the proposed tax changes. So capital gains taxes are going to be taxes you pay on any earnings you have on things like properties, your cryptocurrency, your individual brokerage accounts, and this sort of thing. So it's just something to be aware of. A good CPA is the most fabulous person that you can have in your tool kit, let's say, because they're a wealth of knowledge and they can really help you minimize taxes and use them, use any exclusions or any other little rules that they know of. They can really walk you through how to avoid paying more than you have to, right? I'm not a tax attorney, I am not a CPA, but I do have one that I love and use, and you should too. Go to them for advice, just to help minimize the taxes that you have to pay legally, right? Find a good one that's above boards, but they will make your life a lot easier. It's a great retirement planning tool to know about taxes too, at least just surface area information, so that you're not screwing yourself when you pull out of your IRA or something like that, or your capital gains taxes or properties or this sort of thing. A lot of moving parts here. As always, reach out for more specific information on this and on your state and on your situation. It's taurusfinancialsolutions.net. As always, I'm Jessica Jones. Thank you so much for listening. I appreciate you all. Have a beautiful day.